Start. The name of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear. This is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. It was written during the period when British was ruling India. This poem is in the form of an appeal, a prayer to free our country. Rabindranath Tagore says, he appeals that the people of India should be fearless, their heads should be held in high dignity, and knowledge, whatever it is, it should be free. People should be thirsty for acquiring knowledge. So, where the mind is without fear, where the head is held high, and where knowledge is without fear. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Rabindranath Tagore says that a country, not only our country, but throughout the world, countries should not be divided on the basis of caste, creed, religion, language, etc. Not only in India, but throughout the world. Our society should never be divided on the basis of caste, creed, religion, etc. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Narrow domestic walls here refers to the narrow-mindedness of the people. We always should be broad-minded in whatever decisions we make, whatever our attitude is towards things, it should be broad-minded. We should never be narrow-minded. Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Words come out from the depth of the truth. It refers to whatever we speak, it should be true. Words should come out of our heart with utmost sincerity. We should be sincere. We should always speak the truth. Where tireless striving to achieve success, to be successful, we should work hard. We should work hard until the result is perfection. Whatever actions we do, whatever work we have to accomplish, we should work hard, we should be hardworking, and the result should be perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way. Clear stream of reason refers to the clear thinking. We should be clear in our thinking. Our actions, our words should be clear. Into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Dead habit. Dead habit here refers to dried, infertile land. For example, desert. Desert is not a fertile land. Desert has sand in it, which is infertile. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action. So, further Rabindranath Tagore appeals that in the minds of the countrymen, he appeals to the Almighty. Almighty here refers to God. We should have a broad outlook in our thoughts and actions. We should be generous in our thought as well as open-minded. Into the heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. So in the last line, poet says, asks God, Father here refers to God, to awaken his country into freedom where there is good thoughts, good actions, and good words. Thank you.